Mga kaibigan, rush hours for today. Nakasakay po ako sa LLI bus 7862 mga kaibigan. Take note, LLI bus 7862 which popularly in Saksi on GMA network during the rush hours and of course uwian sa mga probinsya. And of course, bumabagal ng kaunti ang southbound. And then sa bandang northbound ay matraffic. Traffic in the northbound. Abot yan hanggang South Super Highway, also known as the SLEX mga kaibigan. Happy Sabbath to all of you, which are Mr. Caralde and of course Pablo Carlos Martin. Mga kaibigan, LLI bus 7862 very popularly in Saksi on GMA network as the report of Nico Wahe. Happy Sabbath to all of you. Shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout time kay Kuya Ramil Almonte, Kuya Sunny Marsigan, Kuya Joseph Ebalde, ang Obrero Pilipino Jackliner Chapter and the Obrero Pilipino LLI Chapter. And Ate Wenona Solinap Credo, and happy Sabbath to all of you. This is Joyan Montilla, the Adventist blogger. Stay tuned for my vlogs. Happy Sabbath.